Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Nissan's 1997 to 2004 Frontier. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift the cabin bed to create working clearance. Move any fuel lines, wiring, or brackets away from the work area. Remove the rear leaf spring and move it aside. Step 3. This mid-frame repair section covers the portion of frame that houses the leaf spring mount, rear cab mount, and front bed mount. You have two options. Option 1. Remove the rear cab mount and front bed mount by cutting the welds that hold them to the frame rail. Replace them later. Option 2. Keep those parts and remove the perforations in the repair section that accommodate them. Step 4. Hold the repair section against the frame rail and mark the coverage area. Cut along the bottom of the frame rail where the section will install. Remove approximately 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of material from the bottom of the frame rail, including the factory leaf spring mount. Step 5. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Slide the repair section into place using the frame holes for alignment. Use a hammer to seat the section snug on the frame rail. C-clamp the repair section in place and confirm alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the section in place, then fully weld all edges. Step 6. Reinstall the rear leaf spring using the included M14 hardware. The bolt uses an 18mm socket and the nut uses a 21mm wrench. If the rear cab mount or front bed mount were removed earlier, install replacements at this time. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall any fuel lines or brackets that were removed, then lower and reinstall the cab and bed.